The study of hematology is related to. Correct option is B. Blood. The term sericulture is related to which of the following? Correct option is B. Silk farming. The study of fertilization, development, division and variation is known as. Correct option is A. Embryology. Which of the following is a study of spiders? Correct option is A. Arachnology. Which cell organelle is known as the suicide bags of a cell? Correct option is A. Lysosome. In the which of the cell, pyruvate is formed from glucose? Correct option is A. Cytoplasm. Which cell organelle detoxifies toxins and drugs? Correct option is D. Endoplasmic reticulum. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like fluid that is present between. Correct option is D. Nucleus and cell membrane. Who coined the term protoplasm? Correct option is B. Johann Evangelist Purkinje. Which cell is called the master of the cell? Correct option is D. Nucleus. Colorless plastids of plant cell are called as. Correct option is A. Leucoplast. Chlorophyll contains which of the following elements? Correct option is C. Magnesium. Which of the following tissues helps in tissue repair? Correct option is A. Areolar tissue. There are many organs in our body. Which of the following organs is the largest? Correct option is C. Skin. Skin is made of which type of cell? Correct option is A. Epidermal cell. Which permanent tissue makes a plant hard and stiff? Correct option is B. Sclerenchyma. From which of the substance the plant cell wall is made of? Correct option is A. Cellulose and pectin. Casein is a protein found in. Correct option is D. Milk. Which are responsible for the determination of sex? Correct option is C. Allosomes. How many pairs of sex chromosomes are present in humans? Correct option is B. 1 pair. The theory of evolution was proposed by. Correct option is A. Charles Darwin. Reproduction occurs in through binary fission. Correct option is D. Amoeba. Which phylum of animals is also called flatworms? Correct option is D. Platyhelminths. What is the third stage, after larva, in the life cycle of a butterfly called? Correct option is D. Pupa. Which of the following animals have two chambered heart? Correct option is D. Fishes. Which of the following enzymes in the saliva breaks down starch, which is a complex molecule, to give simple sugar? Correct option is B. Salivary amylase. What can humans cannot digest? Correct option is A. Cellulose. What is the tooth enamel made of? Correct option is D. Calcium phosphate. Which blood group is referred to as the universal donor? Correct option is B. O. Which blood cells help in clotting of blood and stop bleeding? Correct option is A. Platelets. Which of the following is similar to the plasma of blood but is colorless and contains less protein? Correct option is B. Lymph. Human blood platelets release which helps in blood clotting? Correct option is A. Prothrombin. What is the function of alveoli? Correct option is D. To provide a surface where exchange of gases take place. Are fleshy tubes that allow to move urine from the kidneys towards the bladder. Correct option is B. Ureter. Which part of the brain regulates breathing? Correct option is C. Medulla. Synapse is the point at which a nervous impulse passes from. Correct option is B. One neuron to another. In humans, the tissue that connects the muscles to bones is called. Correct option is A. Tendon. What is the lubricating fluid found between the two bones at a movable joint called? Correct option is A. Synovial fluid. Where are the islets of Langerhans found in the human body? Correct option is B. Pancreas. Which of these hormones regulates human blood sugar levels? Correct option is B. Insulin. The reproductive parts in animals produce male and female gametes that fuse to form a. Correct option is D. Zygote. Identify the water-soluble vitamin from the following. Correct option is C. Vitamin B1. The disease caused by deficiency of protein in children is called. Correct option is A. Kwashiorkor. Which disease has symptom of fear of water? Correct option is C. Rabies. Bats are natural vectors of following pathogens of. Correct option is C. Ebola fever. What is the most common treatment for bacterial infections in humans? Correct option is C. Antibiotics. Patients suffering from which of these diseases can donate eyes? Correct option is A. Diabetes. What type of nutrition is observed in mushrooms? Correct option is B. Saprotrophic. Which is not a sexually transmitted disease? Correct option is C. Candidiasis. Which of the following organisms are also known as bread mold? Comment down the answer below. And don't forget to subscribe.